You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French DJ, record producer and remixer. His full name, he's known as DJ Hugel. Well, that's how you say it in French. Hugel, silent H, J sound for the G. Hugel. His first name is Florent Hugel. Florent Hugel. Florent Hugel, you could say. Florent Hugel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.